So they have the activities posted in many different places in the park. The Hearth Room is where a lot of things go on. They had a hospice flea market here this weekend, welcome back parties. They also had a vet stay breakfast, and we are going to the dinner and Elvis show this week that will be held here at the Hearth Recreation Office.
Welcome back, EdelKampers. I'm Fred.
And I'm Mary. We explore, experience, and educate.
Because it's not too late to believe in Jesus.
That's the truth. They say he's a really good impersonator. Can't wait to check him out. There's a lot of noise in here right now.
Elvis! Y'all ready for some Elvis, baby? That was plumb pitiful. Are y'all awake? Are y'all ready for some Elvis, baby? Come on! Why, baby? It's gonna be a long night if you're gonna give me that.
We had to go see Elvis.
It's hot. It's hot. These pants are tight. Alex shouldn't have filmed me that turkey. I'm not gonna be able to fit in my suit. I skipped turkey day, baby. Let my big belt buckle. Can you see it all the way in the back of the room? I'll tell you now, man. Anyways, how many Elvis fans do we have out there in the audience tonight, baby? All right, baby. We're gonna try to do all the songs you want to hear tonight, and all 429 of them. So get ready, baby. Get ready. No, I'm. Some people in the audience are like, please, God, no. I love Elvis, but I can't handle it. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Cody Downath, and I'm 25 years old, and I'm from Ocala, Florida. And it is my privilege and honor and humble, so humble to be performing for you guys here tonight and get to live my dream every day. And I was an Elvis fan since the age of 2, and I'm not kidding. Not kidding. I have my little shaky leg and little high voice and all that stuff. But I always like to say that the first half is kind of just having fun with me. We're just having a great big Elvis party. All right? And then in the second half, we get a little bit more into the character and go to Vegas, baby, okay? It's the closest that we're gonna get, baby. Same thing with Hawaii. No, I'm just kidding. All right, let's do it. What's next, Chris? Okay, we're gonna go back to 1956 when Elvis burst on the scene with RCA, and he recorded this song right here. It's called Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Just kidding. I got Chris. He stopped it really quick, didn't you? No, it's called All Shook Up. Let's do it. Thank you very much. Got a little dust on my pant leg. Goodness gracious. I thought you took these to the dry cleaner, Chris. No, I'm just kidding. What we got next? I don't need this thing. I just don't know. Chris made the set list, ladies and gentlemen. How did he do so far? He's the man behind the curtain. Pay no attention to him. The great... Y'all give it up for Chris, making it sound good for y'all. Can you hear everything okay? Good, okay, good.
More than okay.
Turn it up louder. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. Don't crank the dial. All right, we're gonna do another one for y'all. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we got one more song for you. How many people saw the new Elvis movie that came out this past June? Wasn't it incredible? It was incredible, baby. One man, 45 years gone. He's been gone longer than he's been alive to grace the silver screen once again in its entirety and really let you know the type of man that he was. And I cried like a little baby. You know, that was my Superman. And I'm 25 years old. I was never alive, not a twinkle in my daddy's eye even at that point. And I felt like I was able to experience what y'all had experienced and grew up with in just 2.5 hours. What man can do that besides Elvis Aaron Presley, ladies and gentlemen? So y'all give it up for the king, baby.
it till it's done and then hot.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You guys are fantastic on it. Thank you. Thank you. What is it? Okay. Let's do it.
You almost need a chainsaw to cut it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Woo. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Frank Sinatra did this song. And, how many fingers am I holding up? Anyways. Y'all having a good time? I tell you what, it's like I'm getting choked to death, baby. Well, undo it, baby. I don't know.
Take it off.
I'll undo one, okay? Just one. Just one. She goes, one at a time is fine. It's completely natural. Ladies and gentlemen, Frank Sinatra did this song, and it's called My Way.
Howdy, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. Somebody in there?
Very much. Thank you. Thank you so much. You guys are fantastic. Y'all still having a good time, baby? Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Yeah, baby. Good night. I'm kind of dizzy, so I'm going to go lay down. I guess, you know, yeah, I just never know, you know. I don't know if y'all like it, if you don't like it, you know. I do a whole lot of this. A whole lot of this. Some people just stand there and look at me, and I'm like, I don't know what to do. I don't know if you like me shaking. You think I need a doctor, or what do you need? This suit is a tangled mess. That's not the name of it, but it should be. I told you the jokes get worse, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, Elvis wore this suit back in 1970, and it's called the macrame collar. I don't know why, but you know. But in the album that he wore it in, it was called Elvis on Stage, and he had this suit on, and I've always loved that outfit and loved that album. And my favorite song on that album is a little song, love song, and it's called Let It Be Me, and I'd like to do it for you tonight.
Exactly. There you go. Got him?
Wait a minute. I'm a ham. Another ham for you?
Sure. He'll never say no to food.
He's recording that. You saying stuff like that?
He's an editor too.
Oh.
He can edit it right on out there.
These are fantastic, honey. Fantastic. Oh my God. Okay, let's do it. Do it just right now.
Hello.
Howdy, howdy.
My name's Sabrina.
The Teenage Witch.
No. I'm the nice, I'm the teenage nice witch.
Said with a W.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh. What's up with all these very, very soft towels? Still smells like Armor All. Lint in your face. Oh yeah, baby. Are they still on? Okay, good. For anybody who thought I grew sideburns in 20 minutes, I respect your commitment. Goodness gracious. Great balls of fire. Anyways. Isn't that crazy, y'all? That we lost the last great rock and roll from the big boom of rock and roll, Mr. Jerry Lee Lewis. He passed away, unfortunately, this year. And I mean, give it up for those guys who started rock and roll, baby, and Sun Records. That's crazy, man. 706 Union. And You know, I cried so much when I was there because I couldn't get an Elvis doll. They won't ever let me back in. They have a picture of me right there. I was a kid. Do you think I'm kidding? I was a little demon baby. I was, man. I was. My grandma actually had pneumonia, and I was 2, and I wouldn't sit still for anything. And she put on Follow That Dream, and it was shot in Ocala, Florida, in Inverness, and Yankeetown. And I always say that I was meant to be an Elvis fan at the end of the day. So, and it was all downhill after that, baby. So, thank you, Grandma. What we got next? Okay, and you know, I always like to do a song in all my shows, and it's called Bridge Over Troubled Waters.
Mac and cheese?
Oh yeah, it's getting hot.
It's gonna get very hot, yeah.
That gravy's hot. It is very hot. You're gonna have to quit a minute and take your plate, dude.
And my Labatt's and my Molson.
Mac and cheese for both?
Yes.
Please. Okay.
Stuffing. It's like seasoned bread.
Thank y'all so much. Ladies and gentlemen, until we meet again, may God bless you as He's blessed us. Can't help our love.
Okay, we'll take a little bit of everything. Anywhere you can get it.
Like you can squeeze so much out of it.
Mac and cheese?
Making you carry it, is he? Oh, he's gonna carry it.
I got some mac and cheese. There you go. There's mac and cheese, corn, and...
Thank you very much. Thank you. Woo. You guys are fantastic, baby. Y'all have fun? I'm gonna have whiplash after that, baby. I'm gonna have so much whiplash. Y'all, I really, truly hope you had a good time tonight. You guys want to see the show again next year? We got a lot of material to cover, so it'll be a completely different show. And I just want to raise a toast to each and every one of you and the King of Rock and Roll, Mr. Elvis Presley. And happy Thanksgiving to all of you guys.
Do you want bread?
No, well, pumpkin pie.
Well, pumpkin pie. And that's, your gentleman, take your seat. Thank you.